Speaker's appeal dismissed. The Court of Appeal has dismissed the appeal by the Parliament Speaker, Papali'i Li'o Masipa'u, against the reinstatement of HRPP leader Tulaepa Sailele Maliele Ngaoi and Lealai Lepule Rimoni Ayafi. The appeal was heard on the 23rd of November 2023, and the decision by Honorable Justice Blanchard, Justice Young, and Justice Nelson was delivered yesterday, 5th of February 2024. Tulaepa and Lealai Lepule were found guilty of contempt of Parliament by the court, and the Speaker passed the matter on to the Parliamentary Privileges and Ethics Committee for a decision. The committee ruled to suspend them indefinitely until such time, but Tulaepa and Lealai Lepule took legal action against the decision. The court ruled in their favor and referred the matter back to Parliament to set a time frame for the suspension, and Parliament voted to suspend the MPs for 2 years. Tulaepa and Lealai Lepule again took legal action against the Parliament's decision, and the court ruled for the MPs to be reinstated with their salaries and entitlements to be paid. It is that court decision that the Speaker appealed and has been dismissed by the Court of Appeal as per yesterday's decision. The decision is as follows. Firstly, the Speaker's appeal is dismissed. Secondly, the cross-appeal of the first and second respondent is allowed and is declared that the decision of the Assembly on the 18th of October 2022 to suspend them from the Assembly had no basis in law and was accordingly void. Thirdly, the first and second respondents are entitled to be paid their parliamentary salaries and allowances relating to the period or periods of their suspension, and it is ordered that it paid forthwith. And lastly, the Speaker must pay costs to the first and second respondents of 5,000 ta'ala and in the Supreme Court of 10,000 ta'ala together, in both cases with disbursement to be fixed by the registrar if not agreed.